I find OCD always tries to ruin a good time or event for me with worry and fear of what could happen. I have some thoughts on this. Anyone else want to jump in?
Did you ask the question again?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes. I find OCD always tries to ruin a good time or event for me with worry and fear of what could happen. I'll start and then you guys can give your thoughts too. I think that the idea is that we look at having a good or a bad time. It's very all or none. In fact, it's almost like if you look at contamination OCD, right, and this fear that you're going to have something on your hands and you have to wash, it's sort of like that. It's like, oh my gosh, if I have a thought or if I have anxiety, then I'm not going to be able to have a good time. And I think looking at it in a less black and white fashion, less all or none, that you can actually both have a good time and also have thoughts and anxiety and the desire to compulse. I wouldn't advocate for compulsing because that's going to really take you out of the event, even if it's just ritualizing in your brain, right? If you start to ruminate, for example, now you're not in the event anymore, but you can have both experiences at the same time.
And exactly. And if we're going back full circle, guys, and we're going to apply the tools that we've been teaching here, is that you can say, okay, well, I knew this was going to happen, right? Like I knew that these thoughts were going to be here. So then you could use maybe externalizing the fear or externalizing the voice of OCD and giving it, either a creepy or a funny voice. It could be even Darth Vader. I've been using that one lately with some of my clients. But to bring it with you and be like, I see you. I knew you were coming. Come with me, right? Like, let's just do this. Let's just do it. Let's have fun, right? It's like it's acting as if, because you need to do your thing. We're going to stick to values. You got somewhere to go.
Right.
Show your OCD a good time.
Yeah, show it around.
Romantic date. That kind of speaks to one of Melissa's questions, which